Keep your gear safe on every off-road adventure with Rough Country's Universal Rubber Multi-Panel Clamp Kit. These adjustable rubber clamps securely hold items like flashlights, camp shovels, and axes, providing reliable versatilities in tough conditions. Proudly made in the USA, each kit includes 2 durable rubber clamps that can hold items between 5/8 and 1 3/8 in diameter. With a safe working load of 11 kilograms per clamp, you can trust them to keep your essentials secure. Installation is quick and easy with just one 6mm bolt needed, and the kit includes all necessary mounting hardware. Compatible with Rough Country's Molly plate system and other military plate patterns, these clamps offer flexible mounting options. Stay organized and prepared with Rough Country's rubber clamp kit, and rest easy knowing your gear is secure wherever your journey takes you. You can find this clamp kit at offroadexpress.com